Hey everyone, summer is here and it's time to celebrate. But who says you have to leave the house to have an amazing time? With our ultimate stay-at-home summer celebration guide, you can have a blast right in your own backyard. First up, let's talk about decorations. Transform your outdoor space into a tropical paradise by stringing up colorful lights, hanging paper lanterns, and filling the air with vibrant balloons. Don't forget to set up a cozy seating area with comfy pillows and blankets, perfect for those warm summer nights. Next, let's move on to the food. Bring the taste of summer to your table with delicious barbecue favorites. Fire up the grill and cook juicy burgers, sizzling hot dogs, and flavorful kebabs. And of course, no summer celebration is complete without refreshing beverages, so whip up some fruity mocktails or tasty homemade lemonade. Now it's time for some fun activities. Set up a DIY photo booth complete with props and frames, so you and your friends can capture all the memories. Have a friendly game of backyard volleyball or badminton, and don't forget to have a water balloon fight for those scorching hot afternoons. And what's a summer celebration without music? Create the ultimate playlist filled with all your favorite summer jams. From classic hits to the latest chart toppers, make sure to have a variety that everyone will enjoy. Lastly, don't forget to treat yourself. Set up a DIY spa station where you can pamper yourself with face masks, foot soaks, and relaxing massages. Take some time to unwind and truly embrace the laid-back vibe of summer. So there you have it, the ultimate stay-at-home summer celebration guide. Who needs to go out when you can have this much fun right at home? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome summer ideas. Enjoy your stay-at-home celebrations and have the best summer ever.